Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Google Ads customer match. So for this you have to go to the start button, and here you have to simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use, and from here you have to just simply type in Google Ads, then choose the first option from here, and once in the first option you can choose the sign in or start now button according to your preferences. And then it will simply take you to this page, and from here you have to just simply click on the tools icon from here, and once you click on the tools icon you have to just simply click on the shared library from here. Once you click on the shared library you have to just simply go to the audience manager option from here. Just simply click on the audience manager, and once you're in the audience manager you have to just simply click on the plus icon from here, and here you will get the option of create remarketing list. Just simply click on it. After that you have to choose the customer list from here. You have to just simply click on the customer list, and after that it will take you to this page like here, and you have to choose upload a file manually. Then you have to just simply click on continue, and after that here we'll get the option of segment name, customer type, data type, and you can just simply upload the data type in CSV file, and then click on save and continue. And after that you can just simply set up the customer match type. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.